Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet daisy headband. I use 1.75 millimeters hook and 2 yarns. This is 2 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain, a slip stitch. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Pull up yarn, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over 6 times. Fix this yarn, yarn over, pull through all of them, take 2 last yarn on your hook, insert your hook into this yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns and close it, and chaining. I made 20 chains in here. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Go to skip 1, 2, 3 chain, go to 4th chain, a slip stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over. Yarn over 6 times. Fix this yarn in here, yarn over, pull through all of them, take two last stitch on your hook, insert your hook into this yarn, yarn over, pull through all of them. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, add 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, go to this chain, 4th chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to 4th chain and repeat same as this stitch. I show in little sample in here. You can add to these chains. Make 20 chains, make 1, 2, 3, 4 more chains, skip 3 chain, go to this chain and repeat same as these stitches. Pull up yarn, yarn over, go to this stitch, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn 6 times, yarn over, pull through all of them, after crochet this part, go to this chain, I show this chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, make 1 2 3 4 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, hide this yarn under a stitch, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn, same as these puffy stitches. Take 2 yarns on your hook, insert your hook into this yarn, close it, make 1 2 3 4 chains, go to this chain, back of this stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains and repeat same as before stitches. Go to this stitch in here, stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains and repeat. Make 1 2 3 chains in here, go to this second chain in here, a slip stitch, go to next chain, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains and repeat these stitches. I crochet this row like this. In here, skip stitch, go to here and continue same as before row. 4 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn. Close it, make 1 2 3 4 chains, go to back of this stitch, go to this chain, 4 chains and make same as before stitch for this stitch, a slip stitch,